What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm riding my 2023 TC250 for the second time. I'm going to let the video do the talking, and I'm going to jump back on the end and give you my thoughts on the new fuel injection and electric start. So without further ado, 2023 TC250 ripping. you guys can see, this bike rips. The throttle is right there, super snappy. There's never many bogs. I mean, I had that one little bog because I was in fourth gear. Other than that, the bike absolutely rips. It handles amazing. Needs a little bit of tuning with the suspension, but all in all, the fuel injection is pristine. It's next level for the TC250 and two strokes in general. These bikes are going to revolutionize the two-stroke game. At the beginning, before I'd even ridden it, I was all in. After riding it, this bike is hands down one of my favorite bikes to ride. And I see a lot happening with these bikes. Over the winter, I'm going to be building mine up and taking you guys along for that. Other than that, this was our first ride. Very enjoyable. Down to be back, and we'll be bringing more content with this bike. And hope you guys keep a lookout for it. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it around with your friends. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. See you.